Hey everyone, ready to make your first animated video using AI? Don't worry, it's easy, fun, and perfect for beginners. Today, I'll show you how to create a professional looking animation step by step using Animaker. Let's dive in. Step 1. Sign up and log in. Start by visiting animaker.com. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for free. It only takes a minute. Once you're in, click Create a new project. You'll see a list of templates for everything from explainer videos to Instagram Reels. Pick the one that matches your vision. Step 2. Customize your template. Once your project opens, you'll find an easy drag and drop interface. The template comes preloaded with scenes, but here's where the magic happens. You can tweak everything, change the text, adjust the colors, and swap out characters to suit your story. Step 3. Create AI-powered characters. Click on characters and use Animaker's AI Builder to design your own animated characters. Customize their outfits, hairstyles, and expressions. Animaker even lets you add animations like waving or jumping. How cool is that? Step 4. Add voice and background music. Next, bring your animation to life with sound. Use Animaker's text-to-speech AI to generate voices for your characters. Simply type in the script, choose a voice, and let the AI handle the rest. Then, explore the music library for a background track that sets the mood. Step 5. Preview and export. Finally, preview your video. If everything looks good, click Export to download your masterpiece. Choose your preferred resolution, and your animated video is ready to share with the world. And that's it. In just 5 easy steps, you've created a stunning animation using AI. Give Animaker a try today and let your creativity run wild. Thanks for watching.